heart, my soul, my love, my life. Nobody.
What's up, beautiful people? I'm Prince, bringing you another reaction video. So this is actually my first reaction video to songs. So today I'm making a reaction video to Wendy Shay's new song, and the title of the song is Survivor. And I hope I'm gonna mash it up, gonna do it to the best. Alright, so guys, let's get into it.
Fuck with it.
Thunder, fire, go strike you. For the thing you do to me, then I don't make ready for love. But the things you do make up for. Now look at that boy, monkey. He the flex on me, junkie. Shit, where the area, mate.
Alright, so this guy is very smart. The guy thinks he's done with everything, so he can do whatever he likes. He's done with Wendy Shay. He has gotten what he wanted, so he can fool around, do whatever you like. But she's telling you that beware, guy, beware, beware. Alright.
So see, I'm a friend, I won't pick me call, but I'm a soldier. I'm a survivor. And I'm a gangster.
So the guy thinks he's done with her, so when she calls, he doesn't pick. But she's a soldier, a real soldier, so none of these things worries her. She's a soldier, she's just moving on with her life, and that's it, nothing more, nothing more. Alright, let's move it.
Oh, mada, I dey puff and pass, I dey smoke my kush. Mada, fake ass nigga, suck your mother.
Wow, she's just getting happy, doing her thing. So you just go to your mother. You understand the point? She doesn't care whatever you do. You think you've gotten your way, you've gotten whatever you want, so you just using her like a rag. You think she's not the perfect lady for you. She's just moving on with her life. She doesn't care whatever you do, so you just take your way. You just move on with your life. She's also moving on with her life. All right.
I can get another you in a minute.
She can't get another you in a minute. Yes, indeed, she's a pretty lady. She can get whatever guy she wants, any guy that she wants. She's a star. She can get it in a minute, and that's for fact. That's the truth. She's just beautiful, and every guy would love to be with her. So if you think you've gotten your way, she can get the same you in just a minute.
Yourself acknowledge it, and I'm glad I didn't buy it, cause I know motherfuckers like you who needs a heart when the heart has been broken. What else can I say when every word has been spoken?
Yo, I love that backing vocalist. Very nice. Like some kind of chorus, like some kind of angel voices. It's very nice. So the mixing to this particular song is on point. The instrumentation is on point. The visuals on point. So everything about this is very beautiful. I'm loving it. Wendy Shay, big ups to your management. Big up to you. You're doing great in the music industry. Let's get it.
I'm a soldier. I'm a survivor. And I'm a gangster. Intimating is you. Mada. I dey puff and pass, I dey smoke my kush. Mada.
I'm just sleeping. She's just sleeping. She's okay with everything that happens in her life. So whatever happens, she doesn't need to be stressed on that. She's just sleeping, doing her thing, vibing in the club, doing her thing just to make her feel happy. That's the truth. Wendy Shay, you're on point. Yo guys, so we're done with the song. This song is fantastic, very nice song, instrumentation on point, visuals on point, lyrics on point. So let me know your comments about this song. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I remain your boy Prince. Thanks for watching this particular video. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm out.